to Candy Cane Philly. Make sure to subscribe and give it a big huge thumbs up. Today we will be doing a video about me showing my chickens. Well, not just my chickens, my chickies. After we go at the chicken coop, we're gonna go show my new bull. So let's go down at the chicken coop. Alright guys, we're at the coop and I have a duck. My duck's name is Candy Cane Ducky. Here she is. And Pickle's the black one, by the way. Ooh. And there's one of the beautiful chickies. It's a very nice one. She'll let you pet her sometimes. And she's very cute. And there's some other chicks over there. The pretty much bad thing is there are a lot of flies over here, a lot. And remember that goat video and that chicken video? I stole my goats. But don't worry, I'll get another pet, definitely. We might get a pet snake or a pet lizard. I hope a pet lizard because I don't really like snakes. So we have a chicken named Duck with the crazy hair and he kind of looks like him. He's very pretty, I bet when he grows up. A pretty rooster. Let me show you Duck, just our chicken. He's over here. Oh, wait, stop right here. We have a turkey. Isn't he beautiful? We hatched these ones. And here's the pretty rooster Duck. He's so funny. Okay, now it's time to feed the chickens their food, their water, and get the eggs. First, let's feed them. Stop! Alright guys, sorry in the middle of my dancing. I love dancing so much. Now guys, I am going to show you my baby calf. Just so you know, he is a bull. Cutest bull. So, let me go show you it. By the way, we're on the one wheel. I know how to ride a one wheel, but I just want Ty to do it with me. It's so bumpy. Yeah. Oh, cows! Oh, there's a problem. They're all the way down there. We're just gonna have to run as fast as we can, right? Say right. Okay, fine. Candy canes, I do not want to run. Run, run, run! He's so fat, I think his tummy's gonna wobble on the way if he runs. It's a good thing he doesn't have horns. I think he's hungry. There's actually a worse problem. All the cows are mooing. Not all of them. I just heard a cow moo, and they're coming towards us. That's not our... And where's even the calf? Okay, guys, there is even a worse problem. It's not that problem about they're near us. It's a problem, where's the calf? We're gonna have to have a venture to find the calf. The mama is so mad right now. She's running toward us and she keeps mooing. That is a very pretty moo. Just so you know, that calf's the girl and she's the other calf. And you should watch the video. And that mom's very mad. Don't worry, we'll help you. Okay guys, so we found the calf and I'm gonna show you, but I can't go too close because the mama's gonna be mad. And she almost escaped out the fence. It's so cute. I can't wait for you to see it. Let's get started. Okay guys, there is a calf. Oh, wait. It's behind the mom. Hi. Okay, guys. Oh, look. Aww. Alright guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed this video so much. See my cat. Maybe. Well, you don't see all of it, but you still kind of see a little bit of it. So, I'm going to post a lot of fun videos in the summer. Well, it already is summer. So guys, and I hope you enjoyed this video so much. We are going to make another gymnastics video. Hope you liked this video. Thank you for all the views on the gymnastics video. Whew, you are the best guys. I'm not kidding. I'll never lie to you. Thank you so much and make sure to subscribe.